Welcome to the world of dump cakes. For today's dump cake, things are gonna get tropical. I'm gonna be making a Pina Colada dump cake. Melt a stick of butter and dump it in a dish. 2 cans of drained pineapple chunks. Beep, 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 dump. 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk. And we need a little rum. I'm gonna use this tropical rum right on top. I need a box of yellow cake mix. Evenly sprinkle it on the top. And sprinkle on some shredded coconut. With a lot of dump cakes, they encourage sliced butter that I'm gonna elegantly place around the dump cake. I'm gonna bake this at 350 for about 50 minutes. Make sure you check it after the halfway point to see if the coconut's browning, because you might need to cover it up for the rest of the time. Pina Colada dump cake! Whoa! I love a good dump!